Hello guys, after posting my last video on how to use the Vigo app to create that viral baby dance video trending everywhere on TikTok, YouTube, literally all the social media platform, some people, that is my viewers, pointed something out in my comment section, and I honestly agree with them because I mentioned it briefly in the video. Using the Vigo app can change the baby character. That is, if you upload the baby image on the app, Vigo will reshape and stretch the image to an adult body structure, which is not pleasant. And for a baby dance video, that detail, that looks matters a lot. It is what draws the viewer's attention. You know how you reacted when you first saw that kind of video now. I know you will be like, is this a real baby or what? Because that's exactly how I reacted when I first saw that AI baby dance video. That emotional pull is the magic. That reaction is exactly what we want. But when the app distorts the identity, even just a little bit, that magic disappears and it will start screaming AI generated. Yes, we know it's AI, but as a creator, you want something hyper realistic. You want people to pause and question it for a second. That authenticity is what makes the video perform better. So because of all this limitation, I went back and did more research and I found another AI tool that creates this baby dance video without distorting the image. Let me show you how this AI tool works.
Now, the first thing is to create a baby image or toddler image, and we are going to be using ChatGPT to create this image. So come over to your ChatGPT app and type this prompt. Give me 3 different prompts to create a 3D Pixar style image of a toddler. ChatGPT is going to give you 3 different prompts. Go through these prompts to see if they fit your style or how you want the image to look. If there is a need to change anything in the prompt, copy it somewhere and edit it. For example, if you want the image to look like an African princess, or you want a different outfit, or a particular hairstyle, or a darker skin, go ahead and include that. Once you are done editing the prompt, or better still, if you are okay with what ChatGPT give you, copy the prompt and paste it back into ChatGPT and command it like this: generate. ChatGPT is going to generate this image based on this command. So that's exactly how you can generate your baby image. I'm not going to use this image I just generate because I already have one that I generated earlier, so I'll be working with that one instead. So after getting your image, the next thing is to get the dance video, and we are going to get the dance video from TikTok. Open your TikTok app and in the search bar type dance or dancing. You will see plenty of dance videos. Just choose the one you want, or if you have a favorite dancer you want to work with, go ahead, search for them and download their video. I'm okay with this one, so I'm just going to download it. Now, to download this video, click on share and these options will pop up. There are 2 ways you can download this video. The first one is to tap on the download option, but this is going to download the video with the TikTok watermark. The watermark is not going to affect your video in any way, but I like to download mine without the watermark. So to download without the watermark, I will copy the video link, then open my Google browser. In the search bar, I will type TikTok video downloader. You will see plenty of options. Just click on any one and it will work fine. I'm going to click on the first result, paste the copied link, then tap download. This is going to download the video without the TikTok watermark. Now that we have gotten the video, the next thing is to animate the image and make it dance. The AI tool we are going to use is one.video. Now open your browser. I'm using Chrome for this, and in the search bar type one.video. This is how the interface looks like. If you are using your phone for this, you will have to switch to desktop site, which I have already done. As you can see, you will also have to sign up using your Google account. Once you have done that, scroll all the way down and click on the human head icon here, and it will bring you to the next interface. You are going to scroll all the way down again to this place and then click on the option that says speech to video. More option will drop down. Select photo animate. Now you are going to see these options: character and video. Character here is where you are going to upload the baby image. Then video is where you are going to upload the dance video. Now I will click on the character, then further click on upload from device. This will take me to my phone gallery to import the image. Like I told you before, I will be working with a different image, so I will just select it and wait for it to load. After it has loaded, I will now click on the second option that says video, then click on upload from device. It will take me back to my phone gallery. Then I will import the dancing video I downloaded from TikTok. Once you are sure your image and reference video are loaded, just come over to the side and click on generate. A quick disclaimer: this AI tool Video only generates 15 seconds video at a time. It does not generate more than 15 seconds. I am generating this without credit, and that's because I don't have credit. Now click on confirm. If this pop-up comes out, just click on don't show it again, then click on confirm and wait for your video to generate. Now if you are using the free plan, it takes quite a long time to generate the video, but once the video is generated, you will be happy with the results. But if you want to get your videos faster, then you have to go for the paid plan. Right now, the only free AI tool that can give you dancing videos or make your character follow the motion of the reference video without distorting the image is Video. This is the only free AI tool for now. If you want to use another AI tool, you will have to pay for them. If you can't pay, then you have to stick with Video because it is free, unlimited, and it gives very good results, unlike Vigo, which resize, reshape, and stretches the image. Vigo will not give good results for baby dance video like Video, but Vigo work very well for adult video, just like this one. All the celebrity dance video, Vigo will work perfectly for them. This is very funny. So this is our final result. I muted the music so I don't get a copyright claim. To download this video, you're just going to scroll all the way up like this, and you're going to see this download button. Click on it, then further click on download with watermark, and that's pretty much about it. If you found this video helpful, do well to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and if you have any AI videos idea you want me to create, let me know in the comment section. For now, bye.